Hi there, it's George here. Did you remember almost 3 months ago I started growing apple tree from seeds, and I put those seeds in the refrigerator to do stratification process. Well, it's good news because here we go. The seeds I planted then 6 seeds in the soil, and they germinated all of them. So nice. And I write it here the date when I will take off from the refrigerator, but they germinated faster. And that's it. Now I'm doing video. It's April 14, but I should take off these seeds on April 20, as I said in the first video. Anyway, so happy that germinated these beautiful seeds, and today in this video I will have to sow already in the plastic cups, and we'll see already how it will grow outside, and it should grow beautiful. I will choose universal potting soil with mixed with soil from the garden and with perlite soil, so it should be good. And let's try to sow the seeds already. As you can see, beautifully they germinated, but I will show you close up as well. Now let's open this bag with germinated apple seeds and look at the seeds. Look at them, such beautiful. Now we should take off. But before I do that, let's add potting soil in these plastic cups, and the half like that. But now let's plant the apple tree seedlings here. Let's do it. Careful, we will take off. Ready, now it's time for watering these little seedlings of apple trees with water at room temperature, and it will be good. And if the soil seeds, I will add back. Well, my work was finished, and then I will do videos update when they will start growing, and I will let outside this apple tree seedlings here, and they should grow, and we'll see. Also, I have to graft them, but I will have to wait around 2 years to grow big. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned on my channel, subscribe if you want, and I will catch you next time. Have an amazing spring day. Bye bye.